Welcome to our post-game press conference. We are joined by our player of the game, Ray Nambatak, and winning coach, Coach Chot Reyes of TNT. Coach Ray, congratulations. Coach Chot, what did you see from your players tonight, and what can we expect Game 7 Friday?
We told the players before the game that this is our first do-or-die game with Ronde. Our first ever experience playing a win-or-go-home game with Ronde Hollis Jefferson. So I said, what a great opportunity for us to learn about ourselves. So I said, let's just grab this opportunity. Go out there, play hard. We just wrote in the board, compete. Compete. If we lose, we lose. But at least we're not going to go down without a fight. And credit to the guys, they just gave it their all. Cramps na si Ray, cramps na si Calvin, Ronde. I was really worried about that dive in the first half where he crashed into the wooden cube there. But I think that's our definition of compete. So our players, they went out and they competed. I mean, how can you? That's number one. And number two, we finally scored 80 points again in the series. So I think those were the two keys.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Ray, talking about inspiration, gaano kalaking inspirasyon si Jason Castro? We know he's still recovering from injury, pero pumunta siya sa ensayo kahapon. He even went to the game earlier today. And how that impacted the guards like you, kasi kinausapan niya kayo in person, you, Calvin, RR, just that inspiration.
Yung pagpunta pa lang ni Kuya Jason kahapon sa practice namin, sobrang dagdag ng extra motivation sa amin yun. Kasi even though wala siya doon sa mga past few games namin, pero yung presence niya na nararamdaman namin eh. And especially yung kahapon nga sa practice, meron siya mga piece of advice sa amin, especially mga veterans. So which is, yun yung in-apply namin ngayon sa game na to.